All right, another one of our little 427 small blocks. This one made about this is our 550 edition, made about 560 horse, but the real deal is, right off the hop, it made over 570 horse, 570 foot-pounds of torque, straight on through to about 585. That's some great numbers, and the horsepower is about 560 something. So again, we can build these multiple ways. We want to build it the way you want it. You give us a call. We'll be happy to put something together. Peace. All right, Don, I got your 51 Chevy. Happens to be one of our Chevy small block 427s. I think you're gonna like the way it runs. We're gonna do a dyno pull. Fires right up beautifully, like that. Beautiful oil pressure. Great AFRs. We're ready to roll.